Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So hari ni kita akan ke presentation yang kedua uh, for group 2 yang membuat tentang SDG untuk World Wildlife Fund. Okay, so Meda akan mute. So kita akan enjoy bersama-sama dengan presentation ni. Alright.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. The introduction of Sustainable Development Goals is agreed in 2015. Here are the information about the SDG. SDGs are a universal plan for all countries to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure prosperity for all. They are a set of 17 goals which include 169 targets. Hence, they also provide a focus for the international community's development efforts until 2030 and are the yardstick by which progress will be measured. They are intended to be tackled as a group rather than individually, which is the 17 goals are interlinked. The Sustainable Developments are adopted by the United Nations General Assembly in September 2015 as development agendas to be achieved by the 2030. For this video, we are concerned more in SDG 12, which is responsible consumption and production, in SDG 13 about climate action, and lastly in SDG 14, which is life below water, as it is related to our program that we have chose, which is WWF.
Okay, one of the programs under WWF is Save Our Seafood, which is related to the 12 Sustainable Development Goals, SDG, named Responsible Consumption and Production. Sustainable consumption and production are about promoting resource and energy efficiency, sustainable infrastructure and providing access to basic services, green and decent job, and a better quality of life for all. Under the SDG, it has 3 elements, which are water, energy, and food. Save Our Seafood campaign is under the food element, which is more focused on processing and agriculture. Before I go further, the Save Our Seafood campaign has had a collaboration between WWF and Malaysian Nature Society, MNS. The objective of the campaign is to raise awareness on the status of Malaysian fisheries, where in some part of Malaysia, our demersal fish stock have declined by as much as 90%, and to promote sustainable seafood choice through Malaysia's first sustainable seafood guide. Therefore, it is important for Malaysia to start thinking about our seafood consumption pattern and how each of us can play a role to conserve our marine resources for future generations.
Next program is the Earth Hour.
As we know that climate change is considered to be one of the biggest threats facing nature and humanity today, whereas the weather patterns are changing, sea levels are rising, and greenhouse gas emissions are now at their highest levels in history. It is undeniable that this planetary crisis can affect every aspect of our lives and future. So, based on these 13 of Sustainable Development Goals SDG, it can be related to the WWF scope of the climate and energy by the program of Earth Hour. Earth Hour has held on 27th of March 2021 that unites millions of people around the world to show their commitment to nature. At 8:30 p.m., the program pledged to switch off this Earth Hour to show a healthy natural world that we can all rely on and support efforts to save our wildlife, forests, and save ourselves. Thus, this is one of the greatest allies against climate change of worldwide from WWF, which is vital for our survival and prosperity in order to help SDG reach its goal.
Okay, that's all from me. We go to the next presenter.
Another program under WWF is Sulu Sulawesi Marine Ecosystem Program. This program related to the 14th SDG, which is life below water. For your information, besides,
This SDG describes the conservation and sustainable use of ocean, seas, and marine resources. The Sulu Sulawesi Marine Ecoregion Program focuses activities on two priority conservation areas, which are Hudat Bani and Sempurna, and the Life Reef Fish Trade. These programs focus on strengthening management of natural resources by all stakeholders, including local communities, private sector, and government agencies. Lastly, marine protected areas need to be effectively managed, while resource and regulations need to be put in place to reduce overfishing, marine pollution, and ocean acidification. The first benefit regarding to sustainable development is to create awareness in society. These programs are really important since they can spread the information to the people to become more aware and responsible towards the environment in order to sustain the resources. For example, there are several programs that WWF help, such as Save Our Seafood, Earth Hour, and Sulu Sulawesi Marine Ecoregion Program. It can give a huge success to spread more awareness to the society. The other benefits of those SDG is it provides environmental protection. When environmental safety is guaranteed, it will help for better management of waste and pollution. As a result, it can increase the quality of water, land, and air. Environmental protection is also important to future generations because the resources needed by humans are mostly derived from the environment. Therefore, resources utilization and environmental protection are crucial to ensure a sustainable future.
For the suggestion of the program is first by held a nature awareness campaign such as ban plastic, which is prefer paper bags that can be recycled. It is important for the people to know the importance of the nature. This also will increase the awareness of the people toward the nature. On the other hand, they will also realize the importance of the establishment of the organization such as WWF. Last but not least, the other suggestion is by practicing political influence. Political influence offer many benefits and opportunity to WWF, such as by directly collaborate with Ministry of Environment and Water. Besides, Department of Environment in advocating them in public policy relating to the environment. Furthermore, within the political influence, Malaysian WWF can reach and engage with public effectively as they could achieve their mission and vision.
In a nutshell, Malaysia Worldwide Fund (WWF) is a well-known organization that works in ensuring the sustainability development, which also related to Sustainable Development Goals (SDG) for Malaysia, bright and better future. Thus, I would like to encourage all of you to follow WWF Malaysia on their Facebook, Instagram, Twitter for the latest update and participate the programs that they help to show your support towards nature and our future world. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.
Alright. Bagi madam memang satu presentation yang kreatif lah, yang cantik. Jadi kita tengok dulu macam mana. Right, madam akan mula memberi markah. Kita tengok setiap satu persatu. Okay, bukan wildlife minta maaf. Dengar tak suara madam?
Dengar.
The World Wide Fund. Okay, nampak ke yang ni yang madam
Nampak,
buat?
madam.
Nampak group 1 pun dah hantar report. Alhamdulillah. Okay. So, ini kamu letaklah goal ni, tak payah letak goal. Kamu letak World Wide Fund. Okay. So, taklah nama madam apa benda hari ni ke. Nantilah minggu depan kamu kena hantar. So, kalau kita tengok dari segi report belum lagi. Sini kita tengok daripada segi okay, presentation dia ada 5 kriteria. Markah penuh 6, markah paling sikit kosong lah. In terms of presentation skill, so macam bila presentation skill ni bila kita tengok, of course lah kita ada, tapi so far Meda rasa macam dari segi presentation tu Meda macam agak suka, macam okey lah, Meda boleh bagi 5 markah sebab Meda rasa membaca tu ada tapi eye contact tu ada, maknanya dia tidaklah nampak sangat macam baca, walaupun masih lagi baca tapi nampak macam lebih ada perasaan sikit. Macam ada satu grup tu, bukanlah grup lain, tengok macam baca, nampak sangat baca tu. So Meda bagi 3. So untuk grup ni Meda boleh bagi 5 lah sebab nampak macam okey. So content pun memang okey. So nampak lah, kita nampak dia punya ni pasal apa yang World Wi-Fi buat. Okay, so the suggestion, and then we can see the orang kata flow dia lah. Okay, menjawab soalan. The personal appearance, baju. Okay, so okay lah, Meda nampak lah formality tu. Right. Okay, the teamwork. I believe there will tidak akan ada slide yang ataupun video yang bagus macam ni kalau tak ada teamwork lah. It's very good lah. Okay, video ni antara yang terbaik pernah Meda lihat. It's well edited. Kan, cakap kalau kamu macam buat presentasi hebat lagi lah kan. It's very well edited. Okay, and then this give the creativity pun full mark Meda bagi. Okay, because kita rasa macam tak mengantuk tengok. Okay, so dia campur kan. Okay, so macam menarik lah. Okay, visual presentation, interesting layout. Yes, slides, the appendix and other additional initiatives. Yes, okay, ada. So pula 1 je markah. Kalau presentation tu boleh polish lagi, dah boleh dapat full mark. So congratulations for this group. You earn 29 out of 30. Okay, so yang akan membawa kepada 10%. 10% berapa tu? Banyak tu ya. So boleh sign lah sini. Okay, cuma minta kamu semua edit lah nama. Okay, edit nama. Okay, so Meda tengok pelajar biasanya macam banyak macam bercakap. So kalau kamu macam lebih banyakkan practice, and then bila dapat banyak practice tu nampak lagi orang kata natural. Okay, so dia nampak natural tu, tapi so far macam yelah, kamu pun dapat 5 kan. So Meda nak kamu sambung polish your presentation skill kat subjek lain ataupun masih degree nanti. So Meda cakap betul, Meda dulu pun present tak berapa, tapi sebab Meda pergi satu interview konon nak dapat TESOL lah, tapi tak dapat pun kan. Tapi lepas tu Meda improve how keberanian Meda nak cakap kat depan. Okay, so kamu ni record. Record ni kita seorang-seorang kan. Kalau kita berhadapan dengan interview secara live ataupun dengan orang lah, kita mestilah berasa gugup. Okay. Tips Meda macam mana kita nak hilangkan rasa gugup tu adalah dengan cakap pada diri sendiri, cakap I have something to prove. Okay, maknanya orang kata kita datang interview tu ataupun bercakap dengan orang ni because kita nak prove something about ourselves. Kita nak bawa diri kita. So kalau kita memberi ruang kepada rasa gugup dan nervousness tu menyusup dalam kita sampai kita tak nak perform, itu jangan. So cakap pada buat apa aku nak nervous. Aku kena yakin sebab inilah je masanya untuk aku tunjukkan pada orang apa yang aku ada. So bila nervousness tu mengganggu kamu, rugi. Kata ya Allah, sayanglah tadi aku nervous sampai lupa nak cakap apa yang sepatutnya. Hilang, maknanya orang kata nervous tu, buang nervous tu, anggap je kita nak cakap pun cakap lah, tak jumpa dah. Maknanya kita kata macam tu lah. Okay, so dan satu lagi, accept yang orang tu pun macam kita juga. Kan, kita tandas, makan, minum. Sampai kita tengok interviewer baju dia hebat. Macam keterampilan kan, berpekul, cakap. So kita fikir, dia pun manusia biasa juga. Sampai kita terlalu nervous sebab kita pandang dia tu terlalu tinggi. Tak payah. Orang kata slay je. Slay ni maknanya orang kata tak apa, pergi je, jalan terus je. Tak payah dah nak rasa takut ke apa. Alright? So, tahniah Meda ucapkan kepada grup Worldwide Fund. Okay, sekarang mempunyai markah yang memang tinggi, 29/30. So, okay, tibalah masanya untuk Meda check pula your tutorial. Okay, sekarang ni Meda difahamkan semua dah buat sampai setakat, orang kata sampai setakat, ni exercise. Sampai setakat, dah belajar sampai chapter 6, betul tak? So, Meda nak check lah. Okay, satu kelas ada berapa orang? 23 kan? Tengok, 23 orang, cuba tengok. Untuk chapter 6, hanya Farah, Mirzan, Aimah Sarah dengan Aisyah Atira je buat. Yang lain mana tak buat? Okay. Jawapan dah ada. Okay, untuk chapter 5 nampak memberangsangkan sedikit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 14, 21. But still ada 2 orang yang tak buat. Jangan sampai Medan carilah. Okay. And then untuk chapter 4 yang dah lama pun habis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Masih lagi tak cukup lagi 5 orang. Jangan sampai Medan carilah. Mirzan tak buat ni, nampak tak ada ni Mirzan?
Tak ada.
Tak ada Mirzan. Mirzan tak buat pun. Yang ni ada cukup ke 23? 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Biarlah 21. So 21 orang. 21 orang je hantar. 2 lagi tak hantar. Chapter 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 14, 21. 1, 22. Seorang tak hantar. Siapa ni yang tak suka hantar ni? And then chapter 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 14, 21. 2 orang tak hantar. Jangan sampai madam inilah. Okay, jangan sampai madam buat amukan rasukan ablasa ya. Nanti dahsyatnya. Okay, so kita ada masa setengah jam lagi. Presentation pun kita buat minggu. So, minggu ke-10, Madam kata nak buat midterm test, betul tak?
Betul madam.
Betul Madam kata presentation tu tak payah ke minggu tu?
Tak payah buat week after cuti, week 11.
Ya ke? Tapi Madam nak buat macam hari Jumaat. Tapi tak tahulah, kesian pula Madam kata janji macam tu. Maybe Madam release kah kelas korang buat study ke kan? Korang mesti tak study. Okay, so tak apalah, tengoklah macam nanti Madam akan cakap kat WhatsApp kok mana pun. Sebab lepas ni grup mana yang akan present?
Grup Farah dengan Mirzan.
Dah siap dah. Ada berapa grup lagi?
3.
3 lagi, sempat lah kot kan. Tak apa, nanti Madam akan fikir-fikirkan, kotlah bagi ruang untuk kamu self-study ke. Alright, so terdapat kegelonggongan. Okay, terdapat kegelonggongan di sini. So Madam tidak gembira lah sebab soalan quizzes ni pun agak senang je. Setakat apa soalan-persoalan tu, Madam dah bagi pun link. So boleh ke kalau Madam minta pihak ataupun pelajar berkenaan yang belum siap tu untuk letak dalam setiap chat nama dia, ada, tak apa, beres. Tak ada, kena buat balik. Okay, buat dan isi dalam setiap chapter ni. Boleh ke?
Boleh madam.
Okay, madam. So, kita bagi masa dalam masa setengah jam ni, bereskan mana yang tak beres. So, tapi tak ada kata nak siap hari ni juga. Madam nak tengok minggu depan kalau tak ada, siap dia tak bagi ambil midterm test. Alright. Okay semua. Assalamualaikum. Siap tutorial.
Waalaikumsalam madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, madam.